Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome is current and your phone is unlocked. This avoids unexpected UI differences. Open Chrome, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, and choose Settings. Once in Settings, go straight to Site Settings. This is where notifications live. You do this because many notification problems stem from site-level permissions. Keep calm and follow each tap. The path is quick, and you'll reach notification controls in under a minute, so you can take action now. You'll now handle the core changes. Tap Notifications in Site Settings to see which sites can send alerts. For any spammy entry, either tap it and choose Block or Remove. That stops future pushes. Make sure you toggle off sites can ask to send notifications if you want to prevent new prompts altogether. Once done, clear site data for stubborn offenders by returning to Site Settings and choosing All Sites. Then clear and reset for that domain so any lingering tokens are removed. Finish by restarting Chrome or reboot the device and then test whether notifications stopped. If they continue, open Android settings, go to Apps, pick Chrome, and inspect notifications. You can globally block Chrome there. If misbehavior persists, reset app preferences to restore default permission states. As a last resort, uninstall updates or reinstall Chrome to clear corrupted settings. If something goes wrong, use Android's notification log or safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.